Welcome to everyone, Coffee with Roma. Today's topic, open enrollment. We are simulcast Zoom, Facebook, and YouTube. Hello and welcome to all of our viewers and followers. I am Ananda Kripa, your host and moderator. With our expert, we present to you discussions on insurance health coverage, Social Security strategies, and various financial planning modules and life insurance plans. Today, our subject, open enrollment, is absolutely relevant to each and every U.S. citizen, non-citizen, and those living in the United States looking for health care. CEO and founder of Affordable Insurance and Financial Services with over 16 years of experience in financial services, MDRT, a red jacket earned from National Honor Association, Court of the Table in 2020, wholesaler and financial services, wealth management, and tax-free guaranteed income and tax-free retirement. We welcome Roma Patadia. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for having opportunity to discuss, especially for open enrollment period and how the important open enrollment period is for health insurance. Thank you.
Absolutely. When it comes to finding the best health insurance coverage for you and your family, there's a lot to consider. That's why we are here with our expert to answer all of your questions during open enrollment and beyond. The health and well-being of millions of Americans remain our highest priority. Health insurance providers are committed to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. Let's dive right in with our first question. Making sure that you and your family are covered for both emergencies, preventative care is important for your health and your wallet. If you're a student, a parent, or a single income homestead, right now, more than ever, we are focused on health, but is our bank account? What can I find and how can I find affordable health insurance?
That's a great question. Making sure that, open enrollment period has a different category. 65 plus open enrollment period will be start from 15 October to December 7. Marketplace open enrollment period will be start from November 1st to generally December 31st. And workers, like where employer benefit, open enrollment period start when they have their own annual renewal time, or when they start work within 30 days of the waiting period or 60 days waiting period for the full-time employee. Depends on company. So there is all several different way there is an open enrollment period. If you don't use that open enrollment period, you are losing opportunity to enroll in health insurance for rest of the year. There is some exception. There is some qualification for special enrollment period. Maybe you can qualify, but make sure you are eligible to enroll during that time. So that is very important.
Let me ask you, Roma, how long after I enroll does my plan kick in?
Okay, there is an open enrollment period. Depends on if your enrollment start from 65 plus, has a Medicare Advantage plan or supplement plan. It's called Medicare Advantage or supplement plan. That's enrollment period start. You can start get information from October 1st. If you watching American channels, you will see every day advertise Humana, United, Blue Cross Blue Shield, and so many other companies. Even though you will receive all of the flyers, mails, they are awareing you that open enrollment period starts. That start enrollment time, that doesn't mean it's effect that day. Effective day will be 1st January. 65 plus enrollment, enroll start from 15 October to December 7. If you can enroll, then effective date will be 1st January. November 1st is a marketplace under 65 enrollment. That is also, or outside of the marketplace, even private health insurance. That is also November 1st to December 31st. I don't know right now, for because of the COVID, every year they are changing the ending date. Few years ago, 2013, when the marketplace started, last day was April 30th. Then they reduced from April 30th to December February something. Then they started to reduce the open enrollment period December. So now, so far, last year it was December 31st. That we will see this year also they are changing. Let's see what this year they says. So open enrollment period start from November 1st for marketplace and private to December, so far December 31st. Plus minus, we will see during that time. I will let you know.
Roma, let me ask you, well, what if I don't submit by the end date? You know, if I miss a date, or if I don't get my paperwork in, or if I just miss that deadline, what happens?
Yeah, so see, if you mess up with the deadline and not enroll during the open enrollment period, hardly get qualified to get into health insurance, or maybe not qualified to get into health insurance for rest of the year. Have to wait for next open
Goodness, you have to
enrollment
wait
year.
all the way till next year?
Yes,
Oh,
if you qualify during the open enrollment period, and if you ignore that open enrollment period, then yes, answer is yes.
this is
But
a big deal.
right, but if you find a job in between and job is offering and you qualify over there, then yes, maybe qualify over there from the work. If you already working from the job, working as a job and lose the coverage from there, then yes, in between you can qualify, but there is some restriction. We have to follow the restriction. Otherwise, yes, it's a big challenge to get into health insurance whenever, however we want it. And that's why we are used to right now. People has a still impression that, oh, no, private insurance we can take anytime. I have $1,000. I don't mind to pay. No, even though you have $1,000 in your pocket, but still, if you are not qualified, then yes, you cannot qualify. You cannot enroll. There is no exception on that. So very careful about the open enrollment period. So many times people say, oh, I'm traveling over the country. I was out of country. But entire enrollment is online. So they can enroll wherever they are, all over the world.
This is a bulletproof
Computer is
system.
there. Until and unless they have access. So there is no excuse about anything. Open enrollment period has a value. During the open enrollment period, you have to enroll.
Roma, let me ask you about how difficult it is to possibly change your policy. If you've enrolled in a certain policy, is it difficult to cancel or change that policy?
That's another question. Answer is yes and no. Why the answer is yes and no? Depends on health issues. Sudden time, if the doctor is not in network, if you are changing from one location to other location, if you have a high risk and that medication and doctors and specialists is not in that area, sometimes when we enroll and that time doctor was in that network, but it is exceptional, okay? It's not all the time. Maybe serious condition, maybe, not sure, but maybe, yes, you can. So far, no, but maybe, yes. you can. There is some window to open during that cancellation from work to enroll on marketplace, and marketplace cancel from marketplace because you started work. So yes, if you cancel from one location to enroll to the other location, yes, you can.
Before, unfortunately, we'll have to have another episode about deductibles, to find your network and all of those very vital topics. But let me ask you in closing, Roma, what is the process to utilize open enrollment? You said you can go online. Can we also consult someone like you for any questions that we might have, and you can guide us through this process?
So far, Ananda, talk to the financial health insurance agent, expert agent, like us, of course, because we are a 16 plus years and my portfolio is also high, more than 2000 clients I have, especially in the health insurance. So that is a much more better. Contact them even on the WhatsApp, even though they are on, I have so many clients, they are on my WhatsApp, even though they are traveling over the sea, overseas, but they are contacting me on the WhatsApp, and we do take care of call by the WhatsApp. You know what? Sometimes it's night over there and day over here, but sometimes they don't want to wake up at the night. Yes, me and my staff, we are giving them special to take care of my client because of their overseas. Sometimes network problems, sometimes they are traveling. So yes, on the WhatsApp or Facebook, they are contacting me, and yes, we are ready to enroll them. Where is the right place they can enroll, but have to enroll during the open enrollment period. Yes.
Thank you so much, Roma. On our next episode, we will be speaking to you more about open enrollment and how to choose your plan. If you have any more information about insurance, health coverages, financial planning, wealth management, feel free to contact Roma directly at 972-693-3315. Thank you so much for tuning in to Coffee with Roma.
Thank you so much. You have a great day.
You too.